Ngayon pa lang ako nagkaroon ng co-host na artista. Magsasaka si Harvey.
Why has it gotta be so complicated? Maybe this love thing's overrated. My feet in the sand, my face in my hands. I know it's my fault cause I never make plans. And now you're telling me you love me, but you don't even know me. I'm down to hang, but if you fall in love slowly, yeah. Cause I've been thinking lately, if I take my time, try to get it right, I could see you in a different.
Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. And as you can see, yes, I'm inside a hotel room. I'm actually here at Harvest Hotel in Cabanatuan because as you know, I'm an events host and today, grand opening ng showroom ng Venzo Cars dito sa Cabanatuan. Kaya naman we decided na mag-overnight na dito. We really love doing staycations. Nakailan na tayo na staycation vlogs. I'm just really excited because nagpa-reserve din ako ng massage sa spa nila because I've heard lots of good reviews about their spa. Bukas, of course, papakita ko rin sa inyo yung buffet breakfast. And then after that, tatry natin dumaan doon sa nakita ko na aesthetic cafe dito sa Cabanatuan. So yeah, first I'll give you a room tour. Let's go. So upon entering, you will see the foyer with robes. And then over here, of course, it's the bathroom. It's very big. May his and hers na sink. And look at the toiletries. The mirror, yan. Pwede kang mag-outfit check. Pwede kang mag-makeup talaga dito. Gawin mo siyang vanity. Ang ganda ng lighting. Super. This is the shower area. Rain shower yung shower head niya. More toiletries. The toilet. Welcome snacks. Cookies. I think dark chocolate yan. And then, I forgot anong tawag dito sa kakanin na to eh. Then we also have lychee juice. Welcome, Miss Anne Christine Yabut. And they got one of my photos. Ito yung bagong balayage ng hair ko eh. Kaya ang ganda. They have an espresso machine with 2 pods. And meron ding tea, syempre. Drinking water. Pinot Noir and Sauvignon Blanc. Pero syempre for sale siya. Ito yung price, guys. They have a desk. This is a day bed. This is our bed. Grabe, diba? This is the executive room, guys. And ang cute. This is Harvey. Ang cute niya. Kasi alam nyo naman sa Nueva Ecija, palay talaga yung pinagkakakitaan nila dito, yung product nila. Yan, tapos magsasaka si Harvey. On our way to the spa. So, we are here na sa spa. Nadaanan namin yung pool and itong garden. Sobrang laki, guys. Wow! This is their spa, guys. Hello po! Tapos na tayong magpamassage and thankfully hindi naman nagulo yung hair natin. Ayan, intact pa rin naman. Yung makeup, medyo i-retouch ko na lang siya mamaya sa car. So now, nakapagpalit na tayo ng damit and we are on our way to our event. Upon checking, it is 6 kilometers away from here. So let's go. Nandito na tayo sa office ng Venzo Cars and mamaya-maya pa magsa-start yung event. For sure, sa mga kapamilya dyan, familiar sa inyo si CJ. And
sa mga batang 90s dyan.
Yes, katulad ko, batang 90s. Ang favorite ko is yung yung kay Ronaldo Valdez saka Connie. Anong title nun? Parang ito'y Sunday yun eh, di ba? Ayun, ang Munting Paraiso. O, sabihin mo na ang iyong iconic line!
Let's G!
Let's go! Matibay! 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 Sa mundong katitin, pinapunta sa mga panadera. patay kung patay. Di kami papahuli ng buhay. Handang ilagay sa kamay ang batas. Walang iwanan hanggang maupas.
Hello! Time check, it is 12:30. Nakauwi kami ng a little past 12. So, yeah. Medyo ginabi kami. Parang past 11 na natapos yung event. I just want to do a little debriefing. It's been a long day, like really long. From Pampanga to Harvest Hotel. Nag-shoot tayo for our staycation vlog and for the spa. Nagpunta tayo sa venue, nag-host tayo ng event, at ngayon ay nakauwi na tayo. Tomorrow is another long day. Tomorrow mag-shoot naman ako ng breakfast buffet, ng gym, ng pool. I'm gonna go back to Venzo Cars kasi kanina nakaset up yung Venzo Cars na may tables and chairs. So sabi ko, okay, I'll go back tomorrow after lunch pagka-check out ko sa hotel so we could shoot a video featuring your cars. Nakita ko naman, based on the event kanina, na trusted talaga sila. Naka-receive sila actually ng 3 awards from BPI, from Toyota, which is Toyota Financial Services, and from Automart.ph. So, grabe yun guys, diba? Appreciate lang natin yung makeup ko kasi gumagaling na ako mag-makeup bago yung setting spray ko. So, kanina pa ako nag-makeup guys sa Pampanga. Hanggang ngayon, ang ganda pa rin ng makeup ko. Konting retouch lang. Setting spray talaga yung nagdadala. It's the MAC Fix Plus Radiance. Nag-upgrade ako dati Get Ready With Me Cosmetics. Naka-3 bottles na ako noon because that one is really good, the matte version. But I just feel like upgrading because gusto ko lang maging high-end lahat sa makeup kit ko because I'm doing my makeup for work anyway. So, nag-i-invest talaga ako dun. Grabe! Ang galing nung mga performers kanina sa event. So, Miss Katja Santos was there. Siyempre, icon na yon. And icon din yung iba. Like, guys, OG ng Flip Top, si Basilio was there. I will be honest, si Basilio lang yung kilala ko at first. So, si Sisa, si Crazy Mix, tsaka si Flick G, hindi ko sila kilala. Pero grabe, ang gagaling pala nila. Ang gagaling pala nila. And yung mga naririnig ko pala ang song sa radio, yung rap, tapos yung pag-chorus, yung may kakanta na babae, sa kanila pala yun. And sobrang galing nila nung kinanta nila yung song nung Batang Quiapo. Like, sila pala talaga yung nagko-compose ng mga kanta na yon. And then, yung co-host ko din. Tama ba? Ngayon pa lang ako nagkaroon ng co-host na artista, which is si CJ Ramos. So, first time. And, napakabait, napaka-humble, napaka-simple. And, yun, kilala niya na siguro siya kasi millions naman na yung followers niya sa Facebook. Nakaka-inspire mag-create ng content lalo dahil sa kanya kasi ang sipag niya. Like, nagde-day in the life vlog siya from 4:30 a.m. hanggang mga 11 p.m. ganyan. That's all. Thank you for listening to my TED Talk. Pero malay mo, sa susunod makapag-TED Talk talaga ako. Anyway, that's it. Good night. I will be removing my makeup now and removing my contact lenses. See you tomorrow. Good morning guys! So we are ready to have breakfast and as I mentioned, buffet breakfast yung andito. So I'm going to show you guys kung ano-ano ba yung mga included sa buffet breakfast nila because I'm sure that's one of the factors that you check kapag mag-check-in kayo sa hotel. So tara! Meron tayong kasama na vegan or naka-plant-based diet siya. Yung driver namin. So, syempre, pakita ko yung mga options. Yung bagoong is gawa sa shrimp. So, hindi to purely plant-based. So, yun lang naman yung exception. So, ito yung napili niyang kainin. Maruya, yung ensalada na eggplant, and isa pang ensalada. Pero kung gusto nyo talaga nung wala talaga at all na anything, siya kasi parang okay na sa kanya yung bagoong, nag-cheat na siya sa bagoong. I think goto. Oh, may goto. Oh, yun oh. Lagyan mo siya ng garlic, spring onions, huwag mo na lagyan ng egg. Tapos meron ding salad station. Piliin mo lang doon yung Asian dressing. Yun. Tapos meron ding fried kamote. Fried kamote yata yung kinuha mo pala. O fried kamote yung kinuha niya. Tapos meron ding maruya. So yun. Tapos meron ding fresh fruits. May papaya at saka watermelon. Meron. Parang directory ako dito ng breakfast buffet, no, Bebsi? Okay, so it's time for me to get my breakfast. Nag-shoot din ako ng For Shaha Beauty kasi as you know, he knows ko yung event nila and they gave me a PR package. Olanzi also sent me a package. It's a macro lens. So, tinest ko rin siya for the first time today. Sakto may garden dito. So, shoot ko yung mga flowers because I think macro photography or videography is good for nature, ganyan, food also. Let me show you the product. And thank you so much to Lanzi and JG Store for sending me this one. Ayan o, kiklip lang siya. Kinlip ko lang siya sa iPhone 16 Pro ko. And diba tatlo yung lens nito? Doon mo lang siya ikakabit sa pangalawa sa baba. Very easy to use. Pakita ko na rin dito yung mga naging sample shots.
I don't want your love. Don't come to me now. I don't want your love. Don't come to me now. I don't want your love. Don't come to me now. I don't want your love. Don't come to me. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no.
So we are back here at Benzo Cars kung saan tayo nag-event kagabi. Bumalik ako dito kasi hindi ako masyado nakapag-content kahapon ng mga cars nila dahil iba yung setup nito kahapon, may tables and chairs. And then I'm so sorry for the audio kasi hindi ko makita yung kapartner na mic ng Osmo Pocket ko. So these are repossessed cars from Toyota. And etong mga Vios daw guys, 8,000 lang yung DP. Tapos, 17,000 yung monthly for 5 years. If mahilig kayo sa hybrid or you're planning to upgrade to a hybrid na sasakyan, of course, dahil nagtataasan yung presyo ng gas, Suzuki XL7 Hybrid 2025, 38,000 yung down payment. Ivory and black. Wow! Over here naman guys, we have a Toyota Hilux 2024. And, ang ganda oh, ang gwapo. Kasi ginag-glow up muna nila bago nila ibenta. For only 68,000 pesos na down payment and 32,000 pesos monthly.